Alright, this is Harbinger. Welcome to my first video. This is Creatures 3. And my frame rate is really crappy, basically. I don't really know how to fix that. My computer's shit, but this is a game about creatures. Yes, that's right. Creatures. There's many creatures, such as whatever the hell this thing is. It's crawling up this. It's falling off that. Oh, okay. I guess when they reach the top, they turn into dragonflies. And I'm gonna put this in there. Gotta feed the piranhas, you know. This is an egg that would have hatched into a creature if I hadn't. Oh, I guess I'm not gonna eat the egg. Are you hungry? What the hell are you eating? Eat the egg. Okay, guess I'm not gonna eat the egg. Guess I can just jettison it out into outer space. Okay, that's right. Beep. Please be quiet now. There we go. We have something there. Don't look at it. Oh, to yourself? No, thank you. But I appreciate the offer. That's disgusting. And I just got an alert on my phone. Oh my god, my frame rate is awful. Hey! Watch this video. Fund me. Give me money, please. I need a better computer to stream stuff on. If you're enjoying this 10 frame rate, like my video, subscribe my life. Just help me, please. I'm not above begging. Oh my god. Alright. Alfonso, Iga. Indeed. Wema, huh? This is a male Norn child. He is bored and needs to find some toys to play with. This is a male Norn child. He is about to become incinerated and formed into one being with this disgusting thing in here. Now, some would find this to be morally reprehensible. Some don't care what others think. They do things for science. I don't care. I'm gonna make another one. So, the point of this game is to raise these gross things to adulthood. And they're apparently supposed to be smarter than your average virtual pet, but they're really just not. They're just kind of stupid. Okay, stupid's not a good word. But they're just... They're just little virtual pets, and you're supposed to raise them. You're not supposed to... You're not supposed to pick them up and drag them to the swamp. Okay, some people in the audience may have formed a connection to Chaku or whatever his name is already. So I'll just, you're not supposed to do this. Just drag these creatures over to this swamp and you know, drown them and get them eaten by piranhas. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to raise these creatures to adulthood and let them mate and make little babies and then raise those babies. And you're supposed to take good care of these beautiful creatures and not feed them to piranhas. Not kill them. You're supposed to take good care of them. You're not supposed to kill them. You're supposed to take good care of them. And, you know, not have... I mean, it would be nice not to have 10 frames per second. It would be nice to not have 1 frame per second. More than 1 frame per second would probably be the best. But, you know, some people have 1 frame per second when they're recording videos. Some people get eaten by piranhas. That's just how the world works. And I'm done with this game. Like, favorite, comment, subscribe, give me money. I don't care. Just do whatever you want. I'm not the boss of you.